This is Paris, and today Navimow is launching its entire 2026 lineup for Europe. No wires, no antennas, but a lot of different approaches to robotic mowing. Let's take a look. Hey, it's me, Martijn, and I'm gonna show you what smart robotic products can do. Let's go. If you're new here, hi, I'm Martijn. I test smart and battery-powered products, and right now I'm here at the Navimow Europe launch event. In my last video I already showed you a teaser, and today I want to show you what Navimow is actually announcing here in Paris and where they're heading next. This event over here isn't just about one mower. It's actually Navimow showing that they have a solution for almost every single type of garden. Small gardens, large gardens, flat lawns, slopes, and different technologies depending on what you actually need. One thing is super clear over here. Navimow is going all in on wire-free mowing. No perimeter wires, no complicated installations, and not even a single antenna. That's also why the 𝗦𝗂 LiDAR series is such a big focus here today. This is the mower I'll be testing at home, the Navimow 𝗦𝗂 LiDAR. It uses a combination of LiDAR and vision to map your lawn automatically, even under trees or at night. Today is not about performance yet. This is just first impressions and understanding where it fits in the lineup. Next to that is also the 𝗦𝗂 all-wheel drive. This one is clearly aimed at people with more challenging terrain, slopes, uneven ground, where traction really matters. Same wire-free idea, but a different focus. And then we've also got the H2 series, their premium lineup, which also combines LiDAR, vision and RTK position. So instead of saying one technology fits all, Navimow is clearly offering different approaches for different gardens. It even includes Apple Find My and proximity.
Before we continue, there's actually one thing that I want to highlight without all the background noise because it really stands out. And that's how easy and time-saving this system is, because you can literally drop it on your lawn and it starts mapping and mowing on its own. You can even remote control it from anywhere from the app or via voice assistants for things like start, stop or scheduling. Now let's head back to the video.
We also heard directly from Navimow's CEO about where the brand is heading.
The sales volume of Navimow is #1 in wire-free robotic mowers. Thank you. And more than 400 active users trust Navimow today. Yeah, behind every number is a real activation. It's not selling number, not manufacturing numbers, but real users that trust us. Okay, let's talk about the first one is zero-turn all-wheel drive. We have a solution that combines flexibility, stability, and turf protections in one system. Okay, let's talk about second major upgrade of the system we called Effortless LiDAR Plus. Yes, this year we added LiDAR. Our effortless system is to give the mower precise localization. The effortless system is not just a standalone algorithm. It's an integrated framework that fuse multiple sensors into a single unified system. This allows us to fully leverage the strengths of every different sensors and extract the maximum performance of the entire system. Our goal is to pushing every piece of the hardware to its absolute limit and to turn that performance into a reliable, effortless experience for you, for your garden. Everything we build here is about enriching everyday's life.
The message was pretty clear. Wire-free mowing, smarter navigation and less hassle for the user. For me, the real question is always, how does this work in a normal garden with kids, trees, obstacles and day-to-day life? That's exactly what I will be testing at home. This video was all about the event and the bigger picture. The next step is the real test, setting it up in my own garden and seeing how it performs over time. If you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed, so I'll see you in the next one.
Yes? Yeah. I think it's done.
Thank you.